What's up, everybody? It's your boy Cardi, and I'm back with another tutorial showing you guys how to make a Mexico dro, fredo, santana, and xangang type beat. So if you with it, we about to go ahead and jump to FL Studio. Let's go. Alright, now that I got everything pulled up, I'm gonna go ahead and walk you through the sounds, and then I'm gonna let you go ahead and listen to it. So first, let's pull this up. Let's go all, and then let's solo this. Now, when you're making these beats, you want to start off with, I use this right here with off of Purity, called Soft M Trim, I believe, Trim whatever, tomato. Really just using basic chords, and I don't even know how to play the piano either. So I got that sound. I'm like, okay, I need something to kind of like mirror it in a way, you know. So let's see. I added like a little bell on it. Or what kind of sound is this? Yeah, a little bell. I know a lot of people don't like to repeat like this part. They'll probably change it up somewhere over here and change up the ending. But simple for an artist is better because it's not really all that complicated, and they can really just go off of impulse and not really try to overthink their lyrics. And then I added this sound right here. I'm not sure what it is. Again, I'm just gonna show you. It look like a string to me, so let's I'm gonna click the wrong thing. So what I'm guessing is altogether everything sound good because I really don't remember making this beat, but this sound. I know it don't make sense. It's weird. I know it don't make sense at all. It's weird, but it goes together. Trust me. Then I added this sound. All Purity sounds. Just take note of that when you making your beats and you want them to sound a specific way. It really is all about sound selection and how you picking your beats and everything. So now I added this solo soprano to it just to give it like that plug, that Mexico dro vibe. You feel me? Throw a crash on there. And then, I just threw a little bell on there, another bell on top of two other bells. Don't make sense, I know. You gotta make your beat sound good. Even if it take you an hour and a half, make sure you take your time to perfect your craft. But yeah, we added a clap right here, so. How to get your clap like that? Pretty much you just track it out to a track, go up there, add reverb to it, give it a real spacey vibe. And then if you're watching the video, just copy that, and then mess around with it, try to put it in your own way. You probably make it sound better with, you know what I'm saying, your own plugins or whatever. But yeah, and add a little vox. And the rest is really history. You can really just go ahead and listen to it now. that's the beat. Like I said in the beginning of the video, make sure you like this video. It's right there. Just like the video, man. Show me that you guys want me to keep uploading beats and tutorials and showing you guys how to cook up certain beats. And I'll definitely start dropping more frequently. Shoot, even probably like every week, once every week, probably twice, 3 times, depending on how bad y'all really want it or how much y'all really, mess with the vibes. You know what I'm saying? So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and let's get to 1K, man. When I get to 1K, I'll produce somebody whole EP or mixtape, whatever rapper y'all want. Y'all connect me to the person, and me and them will just go ahead and cook up a whole EP, totally free. Just for getting me to 1K. That's how I can give back to y'all. Or I could drop a drum kit, or I could drop a free beat with the FLP, so everybody can, just get a vibe off of it and learn how to make some stuff. So once again, it's your boy Cardi. I'm out.